And while you're cleaning up and shaping it and everything, try to avoid sanding these parts here, because those are the points that basically connect to the gun, and if you sand that down, it won't fit into the gun anymore. Alright, so I've cleaned it up now and I found these gaps here, so I'm just going to fill them in with hot glue. If you have any wood filler, I suggest you use it, but I don't. I'll have it hot glue, so I'm going to quickly do that. Alright, so I have the gaps filled, now I'm just going to cut it away and clean it up. Okay, so I have it cleaned up now, so the next thing I'm going to do is shape it. So if you notice with actual revolver handles, they start off quite thin but then get gradually thicker. I'm going to attempt to do that by just chiseling about half of the handle off and then go at it with my file at an angle, and it should hopefully give me the same effect.
The stage smells, tells, hells, bells, misspells, knocks me on my knees. It didn't hurt, flirt, blood, squirt, stuff, shooting me on a tree.
Alright, so I've managed to do it, so now I'm going to actually curve it and make it look nice. Alright, so I've shaped it up and everything, and ooh, it fits very good. Look at that. Dang, man. So now I'm just going to flip it over and do the other side. So I've shaped the handles now I'm just going to shape up this part here, so then when you hold it, it's a little more comfortable. Once you've done that and you've got it nice and comfy and round, now I'm going to shape up the rest of the stock.
I see my redhead mess, red tear shed, creepy with squeeze. The stage smells, tells, hells, bells, misspells, knocks me on my knees. It didn't hurt.
So here's what I got so far. Tomorrow I'm gonna clean it all up and stain it and put the bolt through both the rivet, and that should be it. So I'll see you tomorrow. This is the next day and I'm gonna sand this thing, make it really nice and clean. But first I'm gonna go out with my metal files. These are files specifically for metal, as the name implies. I'm gonna just kind of get rid of all the gashes that I made with my wood files.
And I'll be in good company.
So now that I've done that, I'm going to sand the ever-loving heck out of this thing with the sandpaper. I'm going to try and get rid of all the marks that I made from my vice. So now that I've got rid of all the small gashes and marks, I'm going to go at it with 240 grit sandpaper, and I have a rag in the vice with the wood so that it doesn't make any more marks. Okay, so now for the staining. You can use whatever stain you like, but I'm going to use mahogany. I guess now to actually stain it. I'm going to put a round file through the hole so I can just hold it like this. Right, so now that the stock is dry, we're going to put the bolt through. I've already put one end of the bolt in, the rivet, so now I'm going to take the other end, just put it in, and now I'm going to squish it in my vise. I'm using my wood vise because I don't want it to damage the wood. Get really tight. That's it. It's finished. So there it is. In my opinion, it turned out pretty friggin' nice. Like I said at the beginning of the video, this isn't really a video to entertain or to educate. It's much more of a learning experience, you know, edit long takes, implement music. So that's it. I hope you did enjoy the video. Smash that dislike button and unsubscribe for less content like this.